Well, hello there. It is time for me to introduce you guys to the Miele Guard S1, brand new vacuum cleaner from Miele. This is going to replace the C1, so we got to see what does it come with, how to put it together, what changed, and just give you a general overview since this is what you're going to be seeing on their budget side. So I just removed it from the box. This is what the box looks like right here. And I've removed the stuff from the box as well. So it comes with a quick start guide. That's always good. Comes obviously with the vacuum, and it comes with a few different parts. So it comes with this really sweet telescoping cylinder here to make it larger or smaller, depending on how big you are. Comes with a nice long hose as well. That's what that guy looks like. Okay, this stuff is normal, right? Then it also comes with the head. This is what they call for their cheaper models, the FiberTech head. So you have to actually step on it to change from rug to parquet, or parquet. And when you press on parquet, then you get these brushes that come out, just like that. And when you press on it the other way, then the brushes go away. Right? So when the brushes go away, that's for going over rugs and so on. So this comes with it as well. We have to put it together. It does come with a few accessories too. So you've got this crevice nozzle here. You got a upholstery piece here as well. And then you got this guy here too. So these are going to fit on the hose. And what I want to show you is a couple of things. Number one, if you have a look here, it looks very similar to before, right? So instead of a honeycomb pattern though, you got this kind of like X pattern on there now. So it looks a little different. And you got here for the different modes, you got minimum, then you've got rugs, looks like carpet to me, and then parquet. So it's only got 4 in total right now. Actually, the first one's curtains, excuse me. So that's what that looks like right there. You got on each side, you got a slot here where you can put the head when you are done. So that just slides in there just like so. Very nice. And then you've also got one of them right there. Okay, now when you open this guy up, what I want to show you is a couple things. First of all, it's important to see this distinction. It's got a new bag in there. So this round part goes up towards the top, right? That bag is called a High Clean TU, and that's supposed to just fit in there a little easier and click itself in place than the ones before. Then it's also got an intake filter here and also a discharge filter up here on top. Now this filter up on top, what they call the air clean, it's just real thin. Right? So the purpose of this filter is just to catch the dust fragments. Since the motor inside is a brushed motor, right, with carbon fiber bristles on it, the motor sits underneath there. We need to catch those because that's important. But what else you can do is you can put different filters in here as well. You can just remove this guy, and I bought myself this air clean filter here. This is the carbon one. That's carbon activated, and I plan to just switch them out. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that one. But we're going to start just like this, and yeah, that's the vacuum. Now it's important to point out that it's now made in China. No longer is this cheaper model of the Miele made in Germany, but rather in China. But to me, seems like the same as the C1. That is a short introduction. Now let's get this guy put together. So we got to put the hose on, and there's a little slot there, and there's a little slot there as well, so only fits one way, just like that. Then we got to go ahead, put this part on. So I'm just gonna stick it in there as far as it goes. There we go, good to go. And now just stick on the extension. Very nice. And look at this. That's nice. I like that. Always fun on the Miele. And then put the head on there, just like so. Very good. And now all we have to do is stick this guy on. You just stick it right on here, just like so. And that's actually relatively convenient, so that they're kind of out of the way. They're not going to flop all over the place. I have a Dyson where these things are mounted like right here by the handle, and those things always kind of get in the way. So that's pretty nice. Important to mention, this is 900 watts. That's it. That's the Miele S1. Let's turn it on one time and see how loud it gets. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get a little test set up here. My wife, she's going to love me for this. Hopefully I can get everything vacuumed up before she gets home. All right, so anyhow, this is the one to retract the cable, of course. And here we go. So this is minimum. And 2, 3, 4. That's the maximum there. Let's do the parquet. To pick it up. All right, worked all right. Seems like it's got good power, but you do got to pick it up a bit. All right. Now, oh, look at that. See, now we got to switch it for carpet. And if you need to, you can also release some vacuum here. That's too much vacuum. So that's got a lot of power there. You can see actually on this little area rug, it's just so flimsy that you got to try to turn the power down a little bit. And you can do that either here on the handle by opening this up. They got that on every Miele. Or you can also do it here with the different modes, right? Next, let's see how the S1 compares to the C1.